Welcome to Speed Scene Wiring. Next we're going to go ahead and make a part number Speed Scene Wiring 84 along with part number 0 seal and SSW part number 2 for the terminal. And what you're going to need is a couple hand tools. You're going to need some dikes, cutters, crimpers, and you can see there's letters on the side right there, AB on the left side, CDE on the right side of our Speed Scene Wiring crimpers, and your strippers, wire strippers. Go ahead and take your wire, strip off a bit, about 1/8 of an inch. Place your seal on the terminal, on the wire. Go ahead and locate your terminal. Place your terminal on the wire. Start in D with the crimp tool, crimp down, then go to E, crimp again, and then go ahead and go to the back side of your secondary lock on the terminal and go to A, and then go ahead and go to B again just to tighten it down a little bit more, and then go back to E, do your pull test, 5 pounds will suffice. Go ahead and grab your part number 84 connector, coil pack connector for the LS series. You'll see that the connector has a little top hat. That's where the lock of the terminal goes in. So you can just go ahead and place it, slide it into the cavity until it clicks, and you've successfully placed your terminal or built your terminal and connector, and your harness is ready to go. Now if you want to remove this terminal, all you have to do is go to the front side of the connector, the face of the connector, and there's a little top hat section right there. Go ahead and place your green SSW terminal tool in, and then go ahead and press down a little bit until you hear it click. Pull out the back side and you're done. If you want to place it back in again, go ahead and bend up the tab just a little bit. Slide it back in until it clicks, and you're done. Go ahead and place your secondary lock on the back.